Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We begin this segment with a primetime news in focus special report on sidewalks. Now, for years, pedestrians have been complaining that they have nowhere to walk, and for a number of reasons. Our reporter Jamaica Maitland now joins me live with the first of a three-part series, Cracked Concrete. Jamaica.
Thanks, Janella. So in this report, we'll hear from different types of road users. And interestingly, many people are of the view that it's the illegal vending is the main reason for sidewalk hindrances. But as we found out, there's much more to it. So how does this impact the movement of people?
Municipal police officers removing and destroying wooden stalls from sidewalks in sections of downtown Kingston last week. Fast forward to present, many of the structures are back, lining the sidewalks in areas like Beckford Street. Pedestrians have likened their walk on the sidewalks to a game of Twister, and so, to avoid confrontation, they opt to walk in the streets.
Not for against them still, but it's not right. It's not right.
But illegal vending is not the only thing that restricts access to sidewalks. Issues such as illegal dumping and illegal parking like this one may also cause disruption.
Somebody left the truck door open, so I walked right into the door of the truck. And I tell you, say, I was mad. I slammed the door, and then I think he never liked the fact that I slammed the door. So, you know, him start rush me a little way, and you know, being who I am, I have to tell him back 2 words just the same, you know.
Vivian Blake is visually impaired. He's had to make the dangerous trek on the busy thoroughfares in the corporate area while praying he doesn't get hit by a car because of the countless near misses he's had on sidewalks. And with the Disabilities Act now in effect, Mr. Blake says the vision for people like him in Jamaica is still blurry.
We have to think about things from the outset when we are planning our different works, our different projects, etc. You know, to cater for because the truth is, you know, and a lot of times we are so short-sighted because many of us who are healthy and strong today, we don't know what tomorrow might bring.
In Halfway Tree, citizens tow the small sidewalks, but that becomes nearly impossible during rush hours.
This is my line. You understand? I'm going to come out probably 3 inches more. You understand? But when we see the police come, we draw in because we know that them are work. So we draw in. And you're going to have that problem all the while because sometimes the spot can't all the way have, and we have to flush out a little bit.
They're also competing with the taxi operators plying the Mountain View via New Kingston route, who use the area as a taxi stand. But of note, this is not a licensed route. We observed the police officers issuing tickets to delinquent drivers. The police reveal that blocking the sidewalks can affect their ability to respond to crime.
The police officers can now drive onto any one of the roadways that we have traveled and to provide assistance in a timely manner to whether it be a vendor or a shopper or anybody who needs the assistance of the police.
Sidewalks have also taken new significance since the pandemic. People forming lines outside businesses, again, forcing pedestrians to walk in the streets. While some old problems remain, like improper garbage disposal, raw sewage and dilapidated sidewalks, citizens say they're frustrated. Take this knee-deep hole in a section of the sidewalk along Maxfield Avenue, for example.
So in part 2, we'll hear from some of the agencies responsible for maintaining the sidewalks. That is the NWA, the KSMC, as well as those who are responsible for enforcing the law, the police. And interestingly too, Janella, we'll hear that the legislation being used by at least one of the agencies will have citizens questioning whether the authority is serious about the state of the country's sidewalks.
All right. Jamaica, thank you so much. Looking forward to it.